Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from Mass Optimizer. In this quick video I'm going to take you through how you can clean up your output CSV file from the new GMB questions and answers scraper. So what you have is you have the GMB name where the question has come from, you've got the question, and then you've got the answers as well. So before you start using the questions in your GMBs or in your client GMBs, what we need to do is simply remove all the zero-like answer pieces of text. So what you want to do is highlight the first zero-like answer text. Press Ctrl and C on your keyboard, then press Ctrl and F to find, select replace, and then where it says find what, press Ctrl and V, and then replace with nothing, and then click on replace all. As you can see, Excel has replaced 146 instances of zero-like answer in the spreadsheet. Now what you can do is obviously control and save that. From there you've now got questions that have been posted to GMBs within your niche, so you can use these questions to populate your client GMBs. You can populate the questions and answers and then have either the client reply, or if you're managing the GMB you can actually reply to the same question. Thanks everyone.